Hi Cryptocurrency Queens, we're looking at Ethereum first of all on the weekly chart. The market is very bullish at the moment, but we are retesting a previous support level that we have around $1,600. The last weekly candlestick broke above this previous trend line and we are right now retesting the resistance. If we are going down to the 4-hourly chart, what we see is that the market has been consolidating against the previous resistance, and we also have seen the market now broken below a small support trend line that we have. We are also at the moment retesting a small Fibonacci level around 1,570 and 1,553. We can have a small movement down to 1,410 if we are continuing to see the market retest 1,570, but we'll always respect this level from below. The bullish momentum is that if we're breaking above 1,570 and we're using this previous resistance as a new support, this can have a push up to 1,660 because this is the top of the higher time frames resistance. But on the lower time frames, the market just might need to correct certain levels before it chooses whether it's going to continue to the upside or if it's going to continue to drop. I went in for a short position on Ethereum yesterday around 1,539 because that was a Fibonacci level that we did have. Then I saw the market broke above this level. What I did was that I took another Fibonacci from the highest point instead of this low that we had at 1,568, which gave us the Fibonacci levels as I spoke about around 1,570, and we're right now retesting the 50% at 1,550. I do have my stop loss slightly above the 61.8%, and this is where we can see the market continue to drop from. So I did have a entry based on another Fibonacci level, but I do believe that if the market will continue to drop from here, this will be the level the market is retesting for that drop. If you also want to trade cryptocurrencies on Bybit, you can right now receive a bonus up to $30,030 by using the link in the description down below my video. This is a platform for everyone that wants to have low fees while trading cryptocurrencies, and you also have zero fees when it comes to spot pairs at the moment. Another great thing that we have is that if you go to tools and copy trading, you can actually come to the site where top master traders is actually sharing their trades. So you can go in here and just look at what they are doing. This is actually a new thing that Bybit has. So this is definitely something that I would recommend everyone to get into. So use the best bonus available right now. If we are looking at XRP is right now facing a previous resistance that we have around 0.4050. If you go down to the 12-hourly chart, you can see how the market is having trouble breaking above this level, and this is the reason why we can see on the lower time frames the market slowly and steady have the reverse down. So if we go down to the 4-hourly chart, the same thing that we've seen on the other pairs is that the market has just been consolidating. We have one support trend line that we're still retesting and respecting, but we also have another support right here around 0.3815. So we are consolidating in between these levels. We tried to break it yesterday. The market never had the power to do that. We broke inside, so from here we just might see the market continue to consolidate, but it is from these levels based on the prices that we have right now and where the market is that we are even facing the market breaking below the support around 0.3820-30 for then see the market continue down. If the market is not ready to drop, then we just might see the market have the power to break above 0.4050, the resistance that we spoke about. And if that is the case, the market will always continue to another level, and that is the next resistance as previous support around 0.4500. Thank you everyone for looking at this short video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live a little bit later today, because we're going into New York session. So make sure to be on that one. Until then, I hope everyone will have a fantastic day or night wherever you are.